Hello everyone. Welcome to another session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning all about data, and in today's class we will learn about data storage in a spreadsheet. In the previous class we learned about storing the data in a text file, in which we learned that text files could be a good data storage system where you have less amount of data. We can store data such as first name, last name, the grade, marks, roll number, etc. using some space or maybe even commas. The data we store in a text file can be later retrieved and read again from your program and displayed back to the user. Now before I start today's class, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. You simply need to click subscribe button. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses like this. Let's begin. A table with rows and columns is a type of structure to store data, because this way we can organize, and each row, this is what I refer as row and this is I refer as column. So this table has 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows, and it has 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. It's a 4 by 4 table, and it is a good way to store a tabular data. And you can see the same information: student name, grade, contact and year of passing out are stored here in 4 different columns. A typical popular spreadsheet programs such as Microsoft Excel provide excellent interface to visualize this data, to see the data on the screen. But in the behind the scene, this stores data in a tabular format, and it could be also what we refer as CSV files. If you create a CSV file in which you have comma separated values, you can use different delimiters. You can open the CSV file with a text editor such as Notepad, or you can also open the CSV file with Microsoft Excel type of programs. These two, especially Microsoft Excel, show you data very nicely in a spreadsheet. However, the CSV file, when you open with the text editor, shows you in a regular Notepad format with some delimiter, Ramcharan, comma A, comma this, like that. Now what is important here is the retrieval of data in a spreadsheet is relatively easier. We can store a lot of volume of data. However, the challenge still remains the same, that retrieving the data from particular row is very hard. If I want to find this, I have to scan all the rows, and for the column number 3rd, because I know that I'm interested in finding the contact information. So it is much relatively faster, because a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel provides you a way to easily retrieve this data compared to a text file. So this is relatively faster, but where it is not good at it is when you have multiple tables. So right now you have one table, so you can manage it. But imagine you have a system where you have a list of student, you have a list of classrooms, then you have list of each student in the classroom and the teacher name. Now you have multiple tables, and it makes it very hard to store such data in a spreadsheet. And as again, with simple programs, you can store the data in the spreadsheet. But when your program grows, you have different type of data. When I mean by type is different multiple tables, then it is very hard to manage. And for that, computer systems provide databases, which we will learn in the next class. That's all in today's session. If you have any question, please post it in the community on my.codemode.us, and you would get an answer. Please take time to solve this quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Happy learning!